Good morning. Happy Monday, May 9th, 2022. Hope you had a good weekend and an enjoyable Mother's Day weekend here in the US. With that, starting off this week, looking all the way out on the monthly time frame, as we can see, definitely bearish momentum is fully activated and continuing to push down on this large time frame, obviously looking, out quite a ways. I don't really see anything holding it from dropping all the way down to 30,900 roughly. Beyond that, about 29,500. Will this occur in the next week or couple days? Probably not. But I don't see much, holding it down. I mean, it probably won't drop straight there. I don't think. I mean, it probably will have some, obviously, uh, waves in there before it hits that all the way down there. But we will see. So with that in mind, going down to the weekly now, we see already playing out, having just started, about 12 hours ago, roughly. Now we see it is breaking clearly through this level of support here at the 32,820, a weekly support resistance level, 32,880 actually. So it is breaking clearly below that, about above this, matching up with this previous level of structure. And again, this is that same level I was looking at the monthly. Don't see too much stopping it from dropping to there. Um, Dropping down to the daily now. Same thing, obviously, just in greater detail. We see that level being broken clearly. We see, obviously we got 8 hours, 10 hours, I'm sorry, left in the day. So anything could happen. This could close, with a big wick like the previous day closed. This was Friday. So, we'll see what happens there. Keeping an eye on the current movement. H4 now. Excuse me. I always like zooming out to, make sure I'm giving myself the right perspective here. So on H4, pushing through that level again, hitting this support and resistance level. At this 32 240 through 32 400 420 roughly. So in that range, we do have a pretty good level of supply. Actually, I'm sorry, a level of demand, or supply and demand zone, but of demand in this case. So, price is pushing down to this level right now, and we'll see, where it goes from here. At this current moment, I'm not seeing any entry, nothing that lines up with my edge, what I'm looking to get in on. What I would like to see price do is pull back some, obviously, ideally pull all the way back, maybe even to this weekly support, into this zone somewhat. That would also kind of show confluence, assuming that it maintains this level, it doesn't make any lower lows as of right now. If it maintains this level, the way I got my fib drawn out, starting from Friday's drop, or actually no, starting from last week, from the 4th, with that bouncing all the way back up to here, if that were to occur, that would be a third level, or third sign of, not the sign, a third confluence, basically lining up with also this weekly support and resistance level at 32,870, roughly 873. I have marked off, and then also this zone additionally from that same weekly support level all the way up to about 32,960 roughly. So anywhere in here, that is what I will be looking to do to target entry to the downside. As of right now, I don't see an entry. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a counter trend trade, maybe something along the lines of looking for some strong signs of reversal here and riding the little push back up, I really wouldn't do that, just because of the fact that bearish momentum is definitely intact, 100%. I anticipate price will continue to drop in the medium to long term. And I'm going to be looking in the short term to wait for a pullback here. I mean, it's not, again, I don't think it's going to just drop straight to there. It's probably going to have, pullback of some kind. And once that occurs, then I'll be looking to get in on that pullback and continue the downward motion. So I will keep an eye on it, be patient. It is only Monday. The week is still very early on, so got plenty of time. And I will be back with you guys after New York session today. Have a good day.